Charlotte loved skiing ever since she took her first lesson at the age of 6. Now at 28, she worked as a skiing instructor at the local mountain resort to share her passion for the sport with others. However, her busy work schedule hardly left her any time to get out on the slopes herself. One Sunday in January, Charlotte woke up to a fresh blanket of powdery snow covering the ski hill. She realized with delight it was World Snow Day, an event organized by the International Ski Federation to encourage people of all ages to experience the joy of snow. Charlotte decided to take the day off work so she could join in the celebrations. At the ski hill, Charlotte saw families pulling their children on sleds, college students snowboarding together, and couples holding hands as they glided down beginner slopes. Everyone seemed thrilled to just play in the snowy weather. The resort had planned fun activities like an obstacle course, new night skiing, and a massive snowball fight. World Snow Day started in 2007 as a way for resorts and winter sports enthusiasts to promote an active lifestyle and spread enthusiasm for snow sports, especially among youth. With many people now living in cities, World Snow Day aims to inspire them to get outside in winter and try exciting activities like skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, or building a snowman. On World Snow Day, ski resorts around the globe offer free or discounted lift tickets and lessons for beginners. Some provide gear rentals and host events to showcase the recreational opportunities that snow makes possible. The ultimate goal is to motivate more people to experience the wonders of snow sports with family and friends. For Charlotte, World Snow Day was a rare chance to recollect with the sheer delight of gliding down snow-covered slopes. She spent the day taking beginner lessons, trying snowshoeing for the first time, and joining an evening torchlight parade down the mountain. At the end of the day, Charlotte reflected that World Snow Day is really about embracing your inner child and adventurous spirit. Though she teaches skiing for a living, she was reminded why she fell in love with the sport in the first place. Moments of unrestrained joy and fun with others in the snow are what make winter so special. World Snow Day celebrates all the possibilities for adventure that the season brings. The third Sunday in January is World Snow Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Snow Day. Cheers!